Hello teachers and welcome back, it's James. For the month of January, I included 3 more things. I taught my 5th graders and 6th graders the words prefectures, population, capital, city. You're looking at a map of Japan in English. If you're doing online lessons, I highly recommend getting PowerPoint. This was done on PowerPoint. What I did was Googled a map of Japan in English and then titled it Prefectures of Japan, Population of Japan. And this image shows the population of different regions, different prefectures. The capital of Japan is Tokyo. I downloaded a picture of the Japanese flag. Then I planted it here with an arrow and wrote, the capital of Japan is Tokyo. Here I have, tell me about Japan. And I have some questions. But let's go back to the beginning. In the second week, I said this to my students. Everybody, what is prefecture? Prefectures. And everyone was silent. Of course they don't know this word. I said, a prefecture is ken. Prefecture wa Nihon no ken desu. A prefecture is ken. Ken wa prefecture desu. Nihon no ken wa Japanese prefectures. Then I asked, how many prefectures are there? I wrote that on the board. How many prefectures are there? They should know what how many means. Prefectures in the plural form are there. Again, in the plural form. Nihon no ken wa ikutsu arimasu ka? And they'll say, 47. Speak English. There are 47 prefectures. Everybody repeat after me. There are 47 prefectures. Have that written on the board. Okay? And then for homework, I copied this and gave it to them. They had a week to memorize the word prefecture or prefectures. Everyone, this is your homework. I want you to remember the word prefecture or prefectures. Prefectures wa fukusu desu. S tsuiteru kara. So what I said was, the word prefectures is plural. S is added to the word prefecture. Don't worry about that, okay? If you want, you can explain that to your students, which is a great idea. Okay? Then, in the third week, I taught the word population. Everyone, what is population? What is population? Of course, they gave me a blank stare. Population is jinko. The population of Japan. Nihon no jinko. Believe it or not, some students don't even know the word jinko. Okay, so I would ask, how many people are in Japan? What is the population of Japan? I would actually write that question. What is the population of Japan? Nihon no jinko wa nan desu ka? You can see the population here is a big number. It's a mouthful for my students. 127,767,994. I just said 127 million or 127 million. You can leave out 127 million. Just 127 million or 127 million. Okay, so after explaining the word population, I would write, what is the population of Japan? The population of Japan is 127 million. So one of my students said, million wa oku janai desu ka? So that means, isn't million oku? Oku means million. And I said, yes, that's right. So they would read it as ichi oku. not 127 oku, 1 oku, blah, 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 blah. Okay, so again, I would copy this and hand it out, and they have to remember the word population, okay? For the third week, I taught them the word capital. Everyone, what is capital? Capital is shuto. What is the capital of Japan? Nihon no shuto wa nan desu ka? They'll say Tokyo. Yes, the capital of Japan is Tokyo, or it's Tokyo. Okay? And then I would do the same thing, copy this, and they would have a week to remember this word. Okay, for the final week, I would test them. I would ask them, what is the capital of Japan? What is the capital of Japan? They can answer it in short. It's Tokyo. Excellent job. Number 2, what is the population of Japan? Oh, you forgot? Well, how many people live in Japan? 127 million. Excellent. Don't forget to say it's 127 million. Excellent. Question 3. How many prefectures are there? There are 47. Say it. Prefectures. Excellent. 4. What is your prefecture? What is your prefecture? They should answer it like this. It's Hyogo. I live in Hyogo. 5. What is your city? They should say, it's Kobe. Excellent. Excellent. You passed. And that's how I would teach this. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to my channel. Bye, teachers.